We have been trying from 2-3 years and it was not successful. I had even gone for IUI. 2 IUIs were failed. Don't know whether I'll be pregnant and I'll to have a baby or not. It was very heartbreaking. When I tried Ayurveda, when the results came, my periods also regularized and I got pregnant naturally. I used to get delayed periods. My mother took me to a gynecologist and then I've been detected PCOS. Whenever I used to take the medicines, I used to get the periods. I had lost all the hopes when even the IUI was not successful. I was just surfing through Instagram and I saw this Gynoveda ad. I checked the reviews. All those reviews saying that many of them had conceived naturally, and so I thought I'll give it a try. I started with Gynovedic medicines. Along with that, I started with Gynovedic diet. I took it for 3 months and my periods were regular. And both months itself, I skipped my periods. So I checked and I was pregnant. My partner and I were very happy. It was the happiest moment. I would say these are miracle pills. They cure you from within. You should definitely try Gynoveda before trying for any chemical methods, IUI, IVF. It is really going to help you.